The unit circle is the most fundamental object that you will need to understand in this course. It contains just about all the information about trigonometric functions that we will be using throughout the entire class. The unit circle is a circle of radius 1 centered at the origin. For any angle theta, we can draw it in standard position, so that the initial side is along the positive x-axis and the vertex is at the origin. The circle will intersect the terminal side at some point that we'll call xy. Notice that by the definition of radian measure, the distance around the circle from the point 1, 0 to the point xy will be exactly theta if theta is in radians. We will use the point xy to define all 6 of our trigonometric functions. Here are the definitions. There are lots of relationships and alternate interpretations of these functions. We will explore those later. For now, we will just need to know that the 3 functions on the left are the fundamental functions that we need to understand, and the ones that are horizontally adjacent to them are just the reciprocals of the fundamental functions. To see how this works graphically, here's an image of the unit circle with grid lines drawn at every tenth. We will estimate the trigonometric functions evaluated at the angle pi over 10 radians. We start by drawing the angle in standard position. Based on the grid markings, we can estimate that the coordinate of the point of intersection is approximately 0.95, 0.3, so that the x-coordinate is 0.95 and the y-coordinate is 0.3. Based on the formulas, this will tell us that sine of pi over 10 is about 0.3, and cosine of pi over 10 is about 0.95. We can then approximate the values of the other functions using the formulas and a calculator. When working with this picture, we will also need to pay attention to the signs of the coordinates. For example, here are the values of the trigonometric functions evaluated at 140 degrees. Notice that the x-coordinate is negative, making some of these values negative. In the next video, we will learn some of the special locations on the unit circle. These are extremely important values that you will be expected to know and expected to be able to reconstruct.